Currently, the robotic has lot of limitations. These are the limitations. That's why everything cannot be done. All fits into one is not there. So to connect this, now new technology has come. Now you know this is something fantastic. You can sit here and on your iPhone, iPad, you can just watch this. This is the Connect network. Anybody is doing a surgery, you can sit and imagine how you can train anybody. Surgery is an art of replication the same way your boss does it, and then improve it in your second phase of career and the final phase of make sure you're stabilized. So that happens by seeing, re-seeing, learning and watching. No, in open surgery, I remember boss used to open, we used to stand on a stool and watch. He used to say this structure and we imagine and say yes. In laparoscopy, we watch, it looks good, very difficult to replicate. In robot, you can watch it real time. Most important is every robot has got a skill stimulator. It is not that every day you have a CS cervix to do it. When you don't have it, we can go there, put a CS cervix module back and it opens, perform that surgery. At the end of the robot will tell how many times you cut the ureter, how many times you left the lymph node, what your total score. If you don't cross 70, you have to come back and do 10 more skill. That is possible here. You can't try that on human beings. Second thing is lot of advances have happened, and this is one very, very important, skill lab in robot between two people. And the future direction, robot camera is 15 to 20 times magnified. You just magnify it another 15, 20 times, it becomes a microscope. Now this is available and in research in robot. The tip of the camera of robot has a microscopic. So while you're seeing, you just enlarge and see, oh, acha, this is where the margin ends, this is where I cut, this is where this is positive and what you have to look up. So in vivo microscope integrated into the robotic camera, or single arms. So there are some surgery you want extra arm, you can just take a robotic arm, pin it and put it down. And this robot is already available and it is a reality. You know that this is already installed in Tata Cancer Hospital and it's also there in Amrita Institute and lot of this one is there. This is an XI new robot. You want to do a surgery, there is a touch screen. It asks, you want upper abdomen, lower abdomen, gynec, left, right, touch screen, laser pointed docking. There is a vessel sealer in that. There is a endoscopic stapler available integrated in that. And then you have got a skill lab. This is ICG clearance. You give ICG in the vein, put a laser light, and you know where is the ureter, where is the vessel, where is the nerve, you can do sentinel node. It is already available in the SI and XI technology available. And then this is the current one which is unveiled, which is available. A single port goes in through the umbilicus robot. It goes inside and it will just open like that. Can you see that there are two holes? Because it gives a three-dimensional view. The camera opens like that. And then all the instrument opens and it is the headache of the robot. You sit and do. So go through the umbilicus. You have got 4 instruments there with a three-dimensional view. Go back and complete your surgery and come back through this. And imagine the quality is not compromised. So this is the future. Tip has camera, laser and everything. I just want to end my talk by telling, I recommend everybody to read this paper. Laparoscopic surgery, who doing? They have 60% occupation hazard 5 years before they stop their profession. Spondylosis, neck arm and everything, which is not there. So in conclusion, either modality doesn't make difference in outcome. Laparoscopy robot makes a difference for minimal invasive. Robot scores over laparoscopy in high para-aortic lymph node dissection obese patient. It is not only patient comfortable but also surgeon friendly. So you also know that there is a robot which is nurse is made. So we always say nurse and anesthetist, we always cat and mouse, Tom and Jerry relation with surgeon. We say please replace, but then the anesthetists and surgeons say the biggest foreign body in OT is surgeon. Please replace and make a new surgeon. Thank you very much.